Are you searching for the perfect finishing touch for your floors and walls? At Hala Furniture, we offer a wide range of premium skirting boards, designed to add both beauty and protection to your interiors. Whether you prefer a modern aluminum look, the warmth of wooden skirting, the durability of PVC, or the classic style of MDF, we have it all under one roof. Skirting is more than just a border. You know, it actually hides messy wiring, protects your walls from furniture, and gives your space a clean, elegant finish. From homes and offices to commercial interiors, our skirting solutions are ideally perfect to suit any style or budget. Choose your material, color, and size. Our expert team will handle everything else, from accurate measurements to expert installation. Redefine elegance with custom skirting and timeless luxury designed by Hala Furniture.